Hi there, my beautiful people. How are we all doing today? Another beautiful, bright day, okay? It's Lady Gola here. Thank you for tuning on to our channel. Thanks so much for the support you have been giving us, alright? Okay, today we are going to talk dates and Tigernut. These two combination has done wonders. I have some patients who were like kind of real down, and when you are down as a patient and you feel okay, my last hope, this is the end of point, this is where God said that I will end. Oh no, 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 no. Don't always think that, because God has its ways of coming with solutions when you least expect it. Okay, so tiger nuts and date. Let's talk about them. These two are packed with vitamins. They're full with energy. They're good with vitamin B1. The date in particular has iron. For those ladies who have heavy menstruation, heavy menstrual flow, just make it a happy to eat date every single day, especially when it's towards your period time. Make sure you eat that, just two every single day, and you will not even believe what it's going to do to you. It will help. It goes a long way. And then when you combine it now with a tiger nut, oof, it's the health benefits are just so alarming. Now with that mixture, I have my juice here already. I take a glass of it every morning. And the best story in it all is it goes a long way to help the both sides. It's not selfish. It helps the women as well as the men. Okay? For the women, let me start with the ladies. It helps in sparking up libido. There are some women who hardly kind of come on, when it's during the time of intimacy. It takes you forever to kind of feel your body, to feel in the mode, to just join in that game. Make sure you are taking this very often, and that problem goes like nothing. Okay, it has anti-cancerous cells. It goes a long way to prevent cancer, especially uterus cancer. So ladies, what will it take? One step away from the doctor's office to start telling you that, sorry, the cancer has spread, the cancer has done this, that. Just consume this every day and it will really help. And it's still, the combination of it still goes a long way to help hormonal issues. When you attain a certain age of 40, you clock, not even 35, you start suffering from hormonal imbalance. Hormones have gone up, they have come down. This one is happening. Menses have come twice a day, twice a month. This is happening. I'm fat, I'm small because of hormones. Just make sure that this is your number one goal drink. It helps so much in that. Okay, it really helps. Then for weight loss as well, those that want to keep it, slim but bulky, that kind of, you're cutting down but still looking choppy, nice, beautiful, fleshy, but looking so 12-year-old when maybe you're 14 or 40 or 45. You should mix this. It's beautiful. It goes a long way. And then for the men, if you have been suffering from erectile dysfunction, this is your goal. Just make sure that you provide it in your woman's kitchen. She will do the magic for you, because no woman likes half game. We always hunt it go full. So drink, it helps in the sparking up that erection, not in a bad way, no side effect, but it helps so much. And for prostate cancer, prostate issues, drink this. Men, this is it. It really helps. It goes so much. It's so rich. Though the dates are difficult to come by, they are expensive, but when you have it, you have your lifetime experience to just live long and happy. Well, I'll keep the recipe and the method on how you can do it on the screen, okay? Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, and share with your family. The taste is just superb. It's nice. You need to try it.